Perfect timing for the trains. We had a Via train headed to Ottawa, just leaving the station here at Dorval, and just as that was leaving, this train, the CP double stack, that I was pretty much waiting for, came along. So it's about 5 o'clock p.m. on 21st of October 2021. It was raining most of the day, and just miraculously it's cleared up in the last couple of hours of the day, just so I could get this. So yet again here at Dorval, another 2-for-1 video. Via train headed east, headed west rather, and so is this. Empties, all these empties. And with a container shortage, I guess. I don't know, man. Let's have a better look at these well cars, I guess. The empty well cars don't make a really great, interesting train. That's too bad, kind of. But they are good when you have another train in the background, so you can see 2 trains going. Like if another Via train came into Dorval right now, I'd be able to see it because of this. The low profile of these well cars. Doesn't look like that's going to happen though. Alright, if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.